Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize your product image to the same size on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can actually head over and click on the products right here. Now from in there, it will show us the products that we have. So what we can do is we can click on the specific product. In here, I have click on t-shirt. And then from in here, I can see my t-shirt as well as the media that I use for that. Now, what I can do is I can click on the specific media, and then this will open this editor right here. So what I can do is I can click on this third icon, which is the resize icon. Once I have clicked on that, I can actually adjust the width and size. So for example, I want to change it in 2500 pixels. It will also automatically adjust the width for me. Now, once this image has been resized, I can actually just click on this dot right here in order to save this product image size right here. Then click on save in here again in order to properly save it as well. So you can just apply this ratio right here on the other products in order to maintain them at the same size. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more. See you soon.